Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We will see how to write a Python program to count number of words in a string. So for example, we have a string S1 which is equal to I love Python. Okay, so this is one string. We will find how many words present in this string. So how many words present in this string? 3, right? We know 3 words present in this string. But if I will ask you to write a Python program, right, how you will do it? I will show you 3 different approach how you can do it. Okay, so the very first thing is approach 1. We will see it through a for loop. Okay, so what we will do? We will write a for loop and we will try to find how many words present in this particular string. So we have taken one string which is S1. So we will take another variable. Let's take it as total. Total we will assign the value as 1. Okay. Now what we will do? We will write the for loop for I in range, okay, I in range 0 to length of this string which is S1. Okay. Then what will say? If S1 of I is equal to what? Space, right? Or S1 is equal to, we will say slash n, okay, or S1 is equal to slash t. So in this case what we will do? Total is equal to total plus 1. Then what we will do? We will print number of words present in the string are, here we will say total. Okay, that's all. Let's execute. Okay, number of words present in this string is 3 because this is what we are expecting, right? Here also we are saying 3. So what we did here? So basically we have taken one variable total and then what we did? We wrote a for loop. And what is the range of this for loop? It starts from 0 and then it ends in the length. What is the total length here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So basically the range is here, I can write 0 to 13. Okay. So the very first thing, the very first ith value will be 0, right? So when I value will be 0, in that point of time what we are telling, if S1 of I, if S1 of this I is equal to space, is it equal to space? No, right? Then also we are giving 2 more condition. One is if this S1, basically this string is equal to slash n or equal to slash t. Why we are giving? What is the meaning of slash n and what is the meaning of slash t? So slash n is basically a new line and slash t is a tab. Okay. So whenever you will see a slash n, that means it represents a new line character and basically it is used for breaking the line or starting a new line. And in the same time slash t represents a tab character. Okay. And basically you can use it for spacing. Okay. So here you can see we are telling that if this particular value, 0th value, when S1 of 0, right, if it is space or anything like this, it is not, nothing is like that, right? It is in the same line, it is, there is no tab and all. So basically all these conditions are not matching, right? Then we are coming here, then it will not go inside this, again it will go up and the I value will be 1. So when I value is 1, then what will happen in that point of time? In that point of time, this condition will match, because S1 of 1, which is this value, right? It is space, the space is there. So this condition will satisfy. Okay, then it will come here inside, total equal to total plus 1. What is the total value earlier? 1. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, then again it will go up. Same thing, for L it will not match, for O it will not match, for V it will not match, for E it will not match. But when the I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when the I value is 6, in that point of time this condition again it will satisfy and the total value will increase. So what will be the total value? Total value was, earlier it was 2, now it will be 3. Again, when it will go up again for all these values, it will not match. Okay. So when it will not match, it will basically, it will not match that value, then what will happen? The total value will be 3, because that is the total value will be, yes, total value will be 3, because that is the final value which we found it here, right? And same thing you are seeing, that is getting printed. Okay. So very simple program. Okay, it's very easy, I will say. Just add this condition inside your for loop and you can easily write, you can usually get your result. Okay, I will also tell you two different approach. Okay, this is, in this approach at least you wrote a for loop, then you wrote a if else condition. Another two approach I will tell, in one line itself you can find your result. Okay, so let me comment out this. Okay, let me comment out these things and let me just write it, approach 2. Okay, so same string, we have the same string S1 equal to I love Python. What we will do here, we will try to find again total. So we will take another so here again we will take another variable, that is total. Okay, so total is equal to, what we will do, we will find length. Okay, length of what? Length of this particular string S1, right? And then we will try to split that string. Okay, try to split that string. Okay, string you will split it and then you are taking the total length of it, and then finally you are just printing it. Print, same thing, you can just do the same thing what you did here, just print it, right? Let me execute and show you. See, here also it is 3, because we are splitting this string with space. Okay, and then we are taking the count, means after splitting we are taking the length of that, and that is what we are getting here, the value is 3. Okay, or for example you want to write I love Python and Java, let me just run it. See, number of words in the string are 5. Okay, because we increased it, right? Similarly you can increase and you can check it. Okay, now I will show you another approach. Let me comment out this and let me show you another approach. Again, this is also very easy one. Okay, approach 3. So here what we will do, again we will take total is equal to, what we will say, S1 dot count. Okay, we will count it, but what will count? We will count the number of space present here. Okay, and then plus 1, because how many space here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 space, then 5 words, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what? 4 spaces. That is why number of space plus 1, you have to do plus 1. Okay, and then you print it. Same thing, it is a print statement, right? Let me execute. See, you are getting the result as 5. So basically you are using inbuilt this count method, inbuilt this split method, okay. But here you are not using any inbuilt method. In approach 1 you are not using any inbuilt method, you are using for loop, if else condition to find the total number of words present in a string. But in approach 2 you used split method, okay, split inbuilt method to find the total number of words in a string, and in this case you used count method, okay. These are the inbuilt Python methods, okay. So very easy program, but this can be asked in your interview, okay. People ask this question very frequently in interview, so in that way it is very important. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please press the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Also, do not forget to watch all other Python programs. I have created a separate Python playlist, Python program playlist. You can go and watch all those videos. Those are very helpful for your interview. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.